Hi, I'm Claire, and today we're going to look at giving you some top tips to help you explore those number bonds. In a previous video, we've already looked at learning number bonds up to 10, so today we're going to look at some higher numbers. Let's start with 20. First of all, I would say to children, let's work out, if I've got 1, how many more will I need to make 20? Now, when they first start exploring this, you can give them apparatus to use, number lines to help them. And first of all, they will be able to tell you that when they've got 1, they need 19 to make 20. Then we'd look at, right, now I've got 2, how many more do you think I will need? Let them have a guess, an estimate before they explore it and investigate to find out that you actually need 18. I would then start to look, I've got 19, 18, I wonder what's going to come next. I'm sure some children in your class will be able to tell you, yeah, it's going to be 17. As you continue to explore this pattern, what you'll find out is that children will notice that it's going 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, and they'll start to get quite confident about it. Around about here is where you need to take care, because they'll say 8 add 12 is 20, then we'll have 9 and 11 is 20. When we get to the middle section, a lot of them will have already be able to tell you that 10 and 10 are 20, but then you're going to have to tell them to take care. If I'm going 11 add something is 20, what's going to be the next number? Have I already got 11 somewhere? And hopefully some of the children will look back and see, oh, we've already know that 9 and 11 make 20. So I already know that number bond. And then we could predict what's going to happen next. Once they've done that, they will soon find out that by the time they've learned half of them, all they have to do after that is to reverse them to remember what the number bonds are. Okay. This is another fun way of learning number bonds. This time I'm asking children to tell me the addition story of 100. So they can choose. They could come up with something like 73 add 27 makes 100. So Farmer Giles, he's got 73 sheep in his field and he wants to call his farm the 100 farm. So he goes out and he buys himself 27 cows so that he's got 100 animals altogether. You could get all your children to come up with a different story like that and put it into a big book. You've got a whole book of 100 stories. Let's move on and come up with some more ideas. Okay, this is often a favourite game with children. First of all, my target is 20, but you could have a target of 50, 100, whatever you want. Okay, but my target is 20, so I'll be giving children 1-digit number cards. And what happens is you put children together in pairs. One child turns a card over and gives their friend a number. Perhaps it's the number 4. Then their learning partner has to look at their cards and find a way of making the number bond to add up to 20. There are lots of things you can do like this. You could also spread out cards on the table and get children to turn them over and see if they can make pairs of number bonds to 20. And obviously the winner is the one that can find the most. I hope you have a lot of fun exploring number bonds in this way.